Hello everyone. It is Sunday, May 5th, 2025. Just started the new year. And I'm taking an AirTrain trip. This is the Jamaica train leaving Federal Circle. And it's going to Jamaica. Nice sunny day. Another air train passing by. Okay, so we are now above and parallel to Van Wyck Expressway. New York skyline there to the left. Sign for Van Wyck Expressway to the right. Train does not cost you anything as long as you do not enter or exit from either the Jamaica station, which is Archer Avenue, Sutphin Boulevard by the E and the J train and the Long Island Railroad, or the Howard Beach line, which is the green line, which is by the A train. As long as you enter or exit within the system, any of the airline terminals or Federal Circle or the Lefferts Boulevard station on the Howard Beach AirTrain, you do not pay the $8.50 each way. I'm running early for work today, so I have time to kill, so I figure let me take the Jamaica-bound AirTrain. And as you can see, the AirTrain is about to turn right at about a 90-degree angle and head towards the station, which again is Sutphin Boulevard and Archer Avenue. See, right there was the Van Wyck Expressway. Right there you can see some Long Island Railroad trains. We will cross over to the other track. We will not go straight. You can see here's the crossover. I have loved trains ever since I was a little boy riding the MTA system. Big regret of mine was not becoming a motorman or a conductor on the New York City MTA system, the subways and the elevated trains. Long Island Railroad train right there below. We have arrived, so exiting.
smooth.